Yes, Amazon just got 16,000 jobs to replace them with AI. And the stock didn't even flinch. Meanwhile, in the e-commerce world where I work every day, the picture is messier. I'm Mael, a Shopify Plus architect, and I build and migrate enterprise storefronts for a living. And here's what I'm seeing on the ground. Merchants want AI everywhere, from customer service, product descriptions, inventory forecasting, catalog management, personalization. The pressure from leadership is real. But here's the problem nobody wants to talk about: regulations. Yes, regulations aren't really keeping up. The Europe AI Act is rolling out in phases, and the GDPR enforcement around AI generated decisions is still a gray area. And most e commerce businesses handling customer data, payment info, and cross border transactions have zero frameworks for how AI touches any of it. So, what happens? Well, companies freeze. CTOs know they need to move, but the compliance risk makes them hesitant to push AI adoption company-wide. Your support team is already using ChatGPT to draft responses. Your copywriter is generating product descriptions with Claude. Your ops manager probably built a workflow in Make last Tuesday. But guess what? None of it is documented. None of it is governed. Nobody approved it. Fragmented AI adoption without guidance isn't innovation. It's more a liability waiting to happen. Customer data piped into tools nobody vetted. AI generated content with no review process. Automated decisions with no audit trail. But here's what most leaders miss: the damage isn't just legal, it's cultural. When employees adopt AI in the shadows, it's because they're scared of being replaced. They are scared of falling behind. And they are scared of asking for permission and being told no. The fear doesn't go away by ignoring AI, it goes away by giving people a framework. Companies that invest in structured AI adoption don't just see better margins, they see higher retention. Employees who feel their company is actively equipping them for the future, not quietly replacing them. They tend to stay longer and perform better. A proper AI framework turns the "am I being replaced" anxiety into "am I becoming more valuable for the company?" Imagine this: around 70% of companies already use some form of AI, but 80% report zero productivity gains. Economists call this the J curve. Productivity drops before it climbs, because nobody has built the structure around the tools yet. I see this across the entire Shopify ecosystem. Think checkout extensibility, customer account APIs, Shopify functions, flow automations. The surface area where AI can plug in is growing every month. Without the proper orchestration, it becomes a patchwork of risk. With it, it becomes a genuine competitive edge. The gap in the market right now isn't more AI tools, it's the role that sits between strategy and implementation. Someone who owns what gets used, how data flows through it, where humans stay in the loop, and how the actual impact gets measured. Call it head of AI, call it AI orchestrator, whatever you want. The title doesn't matter, the function does. And the function is what's missing. And it's missing everywhere. At agencies delivering client projects with no AI governance, at Plus merchants migrating from legacy platforms with no framework for how AI fits into the new stack, at growing stores on Basic, where the founder is duct taping automations together with no traceability. Even at enterprises where the CTO knows the team is using AI but has zero visibility into how. And this is where I focus my practice. I build AI integrated e-commerce systems with governance, baked in from day one, traceability across data flows, clear boundaries on what AI touches and what it doesn't, workflows that generate value instead of risk, and frameworks that bring teams along for the ride instead of leaving them wondering if they're next. I'm Ael, I'm a Shopify Plus migration specialist, and I'm here for you. We're here to learn how to integrate AI the proper way into the merchant's life. So follow along and see you in the next video. Bye!